In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type an M dash on Windows 11. Click the Start button in the center of the taskbar. Type Notepad, and when it appears in the search results, click Notepad to open it. Click inside the main text area so the cursor is active and ready for typing. Now type a sentence so the M dash appears in context on the screen. Enter the sentence naturally, then place your cursor at the end of that line. To type the M dash with the keyboard shortcut, press and hold the Windows key, plus Shift. While holding both keys, press the minus key. Then release all the keys. Press Enter to move to the next line. You'll now see an M dash appear at the cursor position. This dash is longer and is commonly used for a stronger break in a sentence. Next, type a short phrase that will show the N dash. After typing the first part of the phrase, press and hold the Windows key. But this time, do not hold Shift. While holding the Windows key, press the minus key. Release both keys. Then type the rest of the phrase so the dash sits between the two parts. The N dash appears between the numbers, and it is slightly shorter than the M dash above. On screen, point out that the M dash is visibly longer, while the N dash is shorter and more compact. Press Enter twice in Notepad to begin again on a fresh line. Now press the Windows key and the period key together. This opens the emoji panel as a floating window. At the top of that panel, click the symbols icon. Then scroll until you reach General Punctuation. Click the M dash there. It will be inserted directly at your cursor position in Notepad. When you're done, close the panel by pressing Escape or by clicking anywhere outside the panel. At this point, your Notepad window shows some dashes and an on dash inserted using both methods. The keyboard shortcut, Windows key plus Shift plus minus, is the fastest way to type an M dash anywhere in Windows 11, in any app and in any text field, with no numpad needed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's how to type an M dash on Windows 11, and also how to insert an N dash and use the symbols panel when you want to pick the character directly.